be honest, you've probably seen those videos online that go viral. How to be so productive, it feels illegal. But the only problem with these videos is that there's always a guy sitting on his ass talking about productivity. So that's why in this video, I'm gonna literally show you how to be productive. I'm not just gonna talk about it, but I'm gonna explain to you how to be productive, and I'm gonna literally do tasks in front of you. Okay, because this productivity morning routine changed my entire life. Okay, I was able to build my business to over 6 figures. Okay, teach me people how to do stuff, sell info, etc. and etc. But that's not the point. The point is how to be so productive it feels illegal. Right here is my main leverage, a whiteboard. And as you can see, there's a bunch of tasks in here that I need to do. But the thing is, I wrote these tasks down yesterday night. That's the key, okay? You have to do this tasks list the night before you actually start the morning routine, okay? And it's very important to wake up early. I woke up at 4 a.m. today, and I've already scripted videos. And you may wonder, why didn't I record myself scripting these videos? Because this is one of the videos that I scripted. I'm recording this video right here. How to be so productive, it feels illegal, this and that, yada, yada, yada. And then I have to, and I also scripted 2 other videos that I will record very soon. I'm gonna show you me recording those 2 videos while recording a video, okay? You see where this is going, you have to be productive. But the thing is, I wasn't always like this. I was always playing video games. I was always eating junk food. I was always doing the bad habits. And I was just messing around, okay, with my life until I found this hack of being productive, making money. The way you actually are productive is you eating the frog as soon as you wake up. So I'm gonna now record the 2 other videos, no BS, let's just do it. And by the way, this is for the people who are curious, what do I need to do today? So as you can see, daily tasks. And look at this, Google Calendar. This is very important because I have a Google Calendar app on my phone, on my laptop, etc. and etc. And I'm gonna do it strategically in a way that if it says YouTube deep work, I'm gonna start with that. Okay, I'm gonna do this. This is the YouTube deep work, okay? If it says Instagram work, okay, I'm gonna do this. TikTok, this and that, yada yada. But as you can see, record 3 videos, this and that, edit videos. All right, we got the camera set up ready. We got everything ready for recording. That's the nice background, as you can see. All right, let's get this shit done. Let's go. I'm actually excited, okay? That's the key. If you really want to succeed, if you really want to stay consistent, you have to be excited on doing your tasks, doing your work, okay? See, because most people hate what they're doing. That's why you should really get into a field that you enjoy doing. Solve a problem in that field and start posting about it online. Right? And then you create a digital product, you start to sell it, sell mentorships, sell courses, teach people how to do it, solve their problems, and that's business, okay? You have to do what you enjoy. All of these fucking fake gurus tell you that, no, don't do what you're passionate about, do what makes you the most money. No, fuck that, because everything that you do that involves money is hard in the beginning, okay? You're not gonna get results. And because you're not enjoying it, you're not gonna succeed because you're gonna quit if you don't enjoy it. But if you enjoy and you manage to follow through, you're gonna be successful. Okay, I don't know how this just turned into a rant, but let's just do the fucking videos. Let's go. So before I actually show you how you can start and scale your online info business, we have to understand that this is no side hustle. This is no sweet $100 a day. This is a $1 trillion industry. And like I said, everybody that we look up to online, influencers, this and that, people who talk about money, do this exact same thing. They solve a problem, they teach a skill, they manage to monetize it. Bang, and just like that, the hardest part of the day is officially done. And that's the key, guys. If you want to be extremely productive, just freaking attack the day, bro. Eat the frog. And for those who don't know what their frog is, what is the hardest task or what is the most leveraged task for you to achieve your goals? Well, first of all, you have to think about your goals. If your main goal is to get physically fit, you want to get that 6-pack, you want to just gain muscles, then obviously your most leveraged task, the most important task of the day, and potentially the hardest, is going to the gym, doing some cardio or whatever. Okay, you know better than me if you do that kind of stuff. I still go to the gym, and today I'm gonna go to the gym. But regardless, you get the point. Find your main goal and do the most leveraged task. For me, it was recording videos. Also, the reason why I want to attack the day by doing the hardest task first, the most leveraged task first in the morning, is because that's freaking momentum. You build that momentum and all of a sudden you feel great. You did the hardest task. You're like, damn, I wanna continue and climb that ladder, attack your goals. Boom. okay? And after we've done the first task, I like to do this. I don't know what that means, but hey, amazing. And now, let's check what do I need to do now. All right, as you can see, this is basically done, but I'm still recording this one video of the third, okay? So it's this one right here, so I'm not gonna mark this out, but this is technically done, right? Now, bo. What is gonna be the most important task? Well, obviously it's gonna be editing videos or recording reels. Well, I think I'm gonna go for the edit two videos as the task says. And then I'm gonna hit the gym. All right, first video, clipped and cut it. As you can see, it's so easy. This is why I don't necessarily need a video editor. Maybe at some point I may freaking outsource and hire a freaking editor for this one as well. But right now I don't really need this. Takes maybe 10 minutes. Haven't ate anything yet, and this is for a specific reason, because not for everyone, but for me, usually when I eat in the morning and when I eat in general, I feel like kind of lethargic, kind of like, you know, I don't feel like working, this and that. So that's why right now I'm gonna eat my first meal and then I'm gonna hit the gym. And again, the point of this video is to show you how to be so productive in a way that it feels illegal, because it's actually the thing that brings you success. You have to understand that it's not gonna be easy in the beginning. It wasn't easy for me to put the work in the beginning. Like even like 1 year ago, it was so hard, bro. I was just so fucking distracted. And step by step, what you have to do is, I recommend you to actually read this book right here, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Pretty much he shows you and tells you like how to remove the bad habits, this and that. The key is to replace those bad habits with good shit. I used to have this bad freaking habit that as soon as I woke up, I start to scroll on TikTok, fry my dopamine. And the thing is, bro, when you do that, when you do those bad habits that feel good at the moment, your dopamine goes up, but after you finish doing the shit, it goes below baseline, and after that you don't feel like doing anything. That's why I do the hard shit. You know why? Because when you do the hardest task of the day immediately, guess what? Your dopamine, it's hard, okay? It goes down while you're doing the task. It's difficult, right? But after you've done, the dopamine levels goes above baseline, above where it started. So that's when you feel like, oh, euphoria, okay? You feel amazing and you just want to put more work in, right? That's the key. But now, like I said, I'm gonna eat some food, hit the gym, boom, more working, let's go. All right, I'm back from the gym and it's only like 11 a.m. about to be. And see what this is going like, the momentum just keep going up, okay? Never let go of the momentum. And obviously I know I didn't record much at the gym, right? Because I usually just like to get my work done in the gym. I'm not a fitness guy, but I do work with fitness guys. I do work with people who have money, who want to start and scale their online info business. If you're one of them, DM me on Instagram. Man, I think now you already kinda got the point. To be productive in a way that it feels illegal, meaning that's super freaking crazy, right? You get results, is by waking up early and immediately eating the frog. Hey, here's the point. Here's the most important thing of this video. Eat the frog. As soon as you wake up, eat the freaking frog, okay? The hardest task that you have, the most leveraged task that you have to get towards your goals, do it immediately. That is so freaking important, right? And yeah, man, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and sub. And I'm about to get working, okay? I still have tasks to do, so I'm gonna continue with that. But hey, man, stay freaking productive. That's how you get towards your goals. And yeah, man, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.